हाँ जी एंड वेलकम बैक टू दी हडल। आज बॉयज क्या करें हम?
Top 10
विंगर्स। वलीद मसूद खान ऑन माई राइट, ज़करिया आगा, तारिक अब्दुल रहमान एंड मुश्तबा खान काफ़ी अरसे बाद वापस आए।
Yeah, I'm back.
अच्छा जी, सबसे पहले तो मैंने क्या बात करनी थी? हाँ, सब्सक्राइब वाली बात करनी थी। सब्सक्राइब वगैरह हैशटैग
Yeah,
सब्सक्राइब वगैरह
हैशटैग। अच्छा, और तारिक वो वीडियो का बता दो जो हमने नेक्स्ट टाइम शूट करनी है।
नेक्स्ट टाइम हम एक क्या शूट कर रहे हैं, ड्राफ्ट शूट कर रहे हैं FIFA 21 का. So all us boys will draft our own teams on FIFA 21 and play out a tournament which I will win very easily.
हाँ, तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो
Are you that good?
Huh?
Are you that good?
No.
नेक्स्ट वीडियो होगी
Exactly.
ड्राफ्ट।
Trophy.
हाँ, ट्रॉफी वी बी प्लेइंग फॉर दिस।
Yeah, we'll be playing.
जो-
No, you don't dare.
दिखाओ, फोकस कराओ।
दिखाओ इस
There you
weird
go.
jaundice trophy को.
You wish you had it.
I don't wish I had jaundice, bro.
अच्छा, सो नेक्स्ट वीक हम करेंगे ड्राफ्ट और उसके बाद पे टूर्नामेंट खेलेंगे, उसकी वीडियोस करेंगे। अभी चलते हैं हम विंगर्स की तरफ। नंबर 10,
No ties this
Hey,
time.
I'm excited for this list.
No ties this
नो
time.
टाइज दिस टाइम, ओनली बाय 8 पॉइंट्स नहीं हुआ था। और मुश्तबा ने बड़ी कोशिश की थी।
Same rules.
रूल सेम है अब। हाँ,
You know. कोशिश क्या की थी? Unbiased होने की.
मुश्तबा ने बहुत कोशिश की थी कि बायस हो के मैं किसी तरह इसे ऊपर ले आऊं, लेकिन ये बॉय नंबर 10 पे है, रायन गिग्स।
Why?
Damn, bro.
Why is
Number
it there?
10?
He had it at number 2.
Oh my God. अच्छा, आगे देखते हैं क्या चलता है. Like, but
नहीं,
like. this is-
दूसरा Ryan Giggs is the second best winger you've ever seen.
Yeah, for
रायन
sure.
गिग्स
Like,
से
for
ज्यादा
sure.
मैंने ओवररेटेड प्लेयर नहीं देखा।
बहुत ज्यादा.
Yeah,
और
नहीं, like-
ये मेरी
Okay.
और तुम्हारी पहले भी कॉन्वर्सेशन
Yeah,
हुई थी,
yeah.
फ्रॉड है वो बंदा पूरा।
Yeah, नहीं है. He
Oh,
gets a lot of
fraud,
slack
bro.
for.
No, he's a
He's
fraud.
a bad human being.
Bro,
I
no,
get it.
he's a
He's the
fraud
worst
on and
human
off.
being
If I'm
ever.
just judging him on football abilities and apart from what he does with his brother and his like.
I didn't have him, Waleed didn't have him, Tariq didn't have him.
Didn't have him?
Zakko
Yeah.
had
I
him.
didn't. He's shit, bro.
Zakko had him at
crap.
7.
He's shit, and at the same time, he's a horrible person. And abhi recently,
Okay,
Budo
first of all, we're
bro,
judging
no,
him on
he's
football
Wales.
ability.
Bro, he's Wales. He was Wales.
John Terry
किसका
wasn't the
manager
greatest.
था?
We had him on the list.
किसका manager था? No, he was,
Wales
no, he was
manager
a
था.
Wales manager, and he got kicked off because what did he do? He had some other controversy. पता नहीं बुढ़ियापे पे भी बाज दिया
Yeah,
था.
वो ठीक है.
Right?
Like,
बंदा
वो
थोड़ा
है.
सा तो
I agree with
बंदा
him.
थोड़ा सा तो
नहीं,
बाज
वो
आ
नहीं
जाए
बाज
यार.
सकता. Like literally. Like I understand that part, but like his career to stay in the United side.
सिर्फ और सिर्फ longevity थी उसके पास, और कुछ भी नहीं था।
यार नहीं, उसकी गोल असिस्ट रेशो भी ठीक था. ठीक है, वो यार ट्रॉफीज जितनी जीते एंड टू स्टे इन दैट यूनाइटेड टीम व्हिच वाज वेरी कंपेटिटिव, dominating the Premier League.
कौन था left winger on?
Nani Valencia, Ashley Young,
कौन था
competitive.
left
यार
winger
नहीं
on?
ले लेता ना फर्गी. कंचेल्स के सोता था वो फर्गी ले लेता अगर if he felt like he was this
नहीं तो
position.
ये ना बोलो ना कि बहुत competitive United team थी।
यार
Left
come
winger
on,
तो
we
नहीं
used
था
to
तुम्हारे
like
पास।
roast you guys all the fucking time. भूल गए हो तुम तुम्हारी डायनेस्टी खत्म की थी आर्सेनल की.
रोस्ट की, अच्छा डायनेस्टी हमने तुम्हारी खत्म की थी।
Bro,
हम
bro,
रोस्ट की
bro,
टाइम
Ryan
बात
Giggs,
कर रहे हो।
bro, when Ryan Giggs dominated the Premier League वाला scenes सब कुछ पहले ना.
I don't think
we
we were
weren't
born then.
exactly. I wasn't, but at the same time,
So I
the
understand why you
no, but
rated
I'm
him.
saying the level was pretty shit at the time as well. I'm sure any winger at that time could have like destroyed the scenes over there as well.
Yeah, they
Always,
were
जब भी मैंने सुना ना,
unbiased.
जब भी
I-
सुना Ryan
like,
Giggs का.
okay, perhaps like number 2 is a bit too high, but having him in the list is like, come on, like.
Okay, I don't.
I think he makes the list. for
I
sure.
don't.
He doesn't
I
make
don't-
the list.
I don't
Much better players.
particularly
Much better.
mind having him in the list. ठीक है, he's one of those wingers you associate के अच्छा wingers Ryan Giggs.
Yeah.
I didn't have him in my list because honestly there were 10 क्या 12
12,
better
13, 14 better.
wingers than him.
Fair enough. Yeah.
And he just had longevity. I mean, yeah, he was pretty skillful. Like he had these really great runs that he would make for
99 के goal.
हाँ, तो बस उसी पे अफरीदी वाला हाल है उसका, वहाँ प्याज वाला था। एक स्पेल, एक सेंचुरी में चला
यार
था वो।
नहीं यार,
But yeah.
decades खेला वो.
हाँ, exactly, अफरीदी भी decades खेला है।
Yeah.
एक सेंचुरी के
So, dude, I don't
base
think
पे।
you make it into a United side for that long
Yeah.
if you're not a good player.
Yeah, like.
ठीक है, we're
ठीक है. I mean,
He
if I
won-
find, but at the end of this list, if I find there are some better players who were left off because of this,
हाँ,
you know,
हाँ, they
Probably.
were.
चलो देखते
Most
हैं.
at this, अगर तुम खुद ही कह रहे हो 12-13 हैं तो फिर
हाँ.
मतलब inevitably.
नहीं मेरे list पे बात.
चलो number 9, Robert Perez.
That's low.
यार.
That's quite
I
low for
didn't have him in my list.
Yeah. I didn't
Okay,
know.
he was my favorite Arsenal player, like by far.
You had him at 10.
Perez
Yeah,
was
I
a-
had him at 10th. I felt like higher than 10th would be unfair. Although I would still say that Giggs should be ahead of Perez.
No way, bro. क्या कह रहे तू?
No chance, bro.
Bro, Robert Perez was
Perez-
technique plus the
Plus the goals.
Okay,
He had
Giggs was
everything,
also
bro.
technique. You saw him at the later end of
Bro,
his
Perez
career,
had
but he
better
was a good
technique.
Ajay,
dribbler.
Eamon.
Yeah.
We're not talking about gigs anymore. Okay? for all we care, that guy should go to jail. ठीक है ना?
Probably should. Like
Yeah.
I don't mind. Like yeah,
Let's talk
definitely
about
that's where he belongs.
Let's talk about Perez. The reason why I said low for him because
Yeah.
I thought at least 5th या 6th इस तरह कुछ होगा. But चलो at least he's on the list.
हाँ, शुक्र है मैं भी यही कह रहा था.
Perez is just one
2
of those.
points आगे था Giggs से वैसे.
One of those generational players that, you know, even though that Invincibles team, Arsenal team, it was already perfect, but he was just that. वो ना ये वो
So
एक
good.
touch of
Yeah,
class
yeah,
just
yeah.
to
So-
finish up that team, and he was perfect, man. He was like
The reason why I did
He
have
was
him like
amazing
low is
player.
because perhaps like after Invincibles was
He
disbanded,
dropped off.
he
Yeah.
dropped off quite a bit, and like
उसका
I would
career
like to
end
see
अच्छा
more
नहीं
of
हुआ
him.
था
Like,
Arsenal में भी ना.
yeah.
Arsenal में भी career end अच्छा
and
नहीं
also
हुआ था.
that Invincibles team was very
and
good,
I think another
and the
thing.
French team
The
was
thing is,
also
it,
very
it,
good.
also, it also brought a balance. वो Wenger जो 4-4-2 खेलता था ना, he had Perez as a, like they were discussing, Wenger was talking about his Invincibles team, so he goes like Perez was my type of player who could carry the ball from the like wide से अंदर आके center में. So it was like
So
it was
good,
a perfect
man.
balance.
Yeah.
I fit Jonah, boy, I had a good time watching him. Like
हाँ,
yeah.
Perez
It
was.
was a joy to watch sometimes. But I still didn't have
नहीं था क्योंकि.
Gets a
मेरे
9 out of 10.
मेरे लिस्ट में नहीं था. No,
Man,
want to
you
wish
don't have him as well?
He was really
I-
close.
I didn't have it in my list because
Probably
I
didn't see
no,
him enough.
no, but it was full bias based. Like 10th position बन रही थी इसकी जगह. उससे आगे भी लेकिन
Yeah, this was one of the tightest.
लेकिन
like,
मैंने
it was.
मेरे
Yeah,
bias
I
was
think
very difficult.
part of it was that there's
Very limited से.
yeah the
Yeah.
position is changed
limited
so
भी
much.
थे, and all
Yeah.
of the ones that we do select, like they're very
Wait,
competitive.
the position has
Yeah.
changed so much that पुराने players इतने ज़्यादा fit in नहीं होते because like
Yeah,
white players
yeah.
weren't as prolific back then as they are these days.
Talking about that, number 8, David Beckham.
ठीक है.
I got him.
I had him there. Yeah.
That's
I
right.
didn't have him. In
You didn't have him in the list?
David Beckham?
Probably the best passer
I
the
had
game has
Beckham.
ever seen.
Not the best passer the
No,
game
No,
has
no,
ever
the best.
seen.
He
the
was,
best
come
passer.
on.
One of
He
the
had a
best.
wicked
England
pass.
captain, like
Yeah.
The best passer the
Yeah,
game
yeah,
has ever
yes.
One of
like
the
on the
best.
list or the
Both.
game has ever seen.
Yeah,
One of them.
one of them.
Even
Yeah.
the
One of
last
them.
midfielders
Definitely the
we're
best
talking, all
passer
those
who's a
guys
winger.
that were saying-
Midfielders though won't look at the game ही है passing, but just like as generally as
On
a
the
winger,
wings
like
probably.
wide players की बात.
and
Yeah,
free
but-
kicks as well, like
Yeah, free kicks as well, and like probably
Yeah.
is like better than most of the people at 45. Like you know,
yeah.
match उसका जो हुआ
The
था.
highest Beckham got was number 4.
Who?
Ali Rizvi है कोई उसने डाला था.
I had Beckham at 9.
You
I
had
think.
him at 9.
Yeah, and I think that was the thing with Beckham is he makes the list. Like definitely he's one of the top 10, and his game is very underrated in the sense that people don't think people think just because he's good looking, so he doesn't put in a tackle, to put in a
you
shift.
think he's
But
good?
bro,
He does the
Beckham,
basics
Beckham
right.
put in a shift, bro. Like every time, he even played in centre mid. He was when Madrid were in shambles when they sold Makelele and they were struggling. Kis tarah midfield hum kare. So Figo and Zidane had to be placed in their positions, and Beckham was the one sacrificed.
The
And-
biggest
And he played
misconception.
centre mid as well, and
The
he
biggest
bossed it there.
misconception with Beckham is that people thought he had like a God-gifted talent of just swinging in the ball and all that.
Yeah.
This technique, like he did have talent, but this
Yeah.
technique he worked hard for it, yeah, and like.
And it
even
wasn't just
through-
set pieces.
Yeah, it wasn't just set pieces.
Like
Everything.
it was all.
And you know, he used to
gameplay
do,
tha.
all of his things weren't that fancy. It was like basic stuff, like.
Yeah.
But that
But he
basic
did it
stuff
really
is
well.
really difficult to do, like to get the ball to one point to the other point
But again,
with like great
Bro,
accuracy
bro,
all of the
that's
time.
He was a
That's
proper
what-
footballer, but people
Yeah.
associate him more with
हाँ.
being a
वो
modern
step
in
over नहीं
techniques.
मारता था,
Being-
you know,
वही ना,
like
it's like-
Shishkin
it's
was
like
like a
modern-
role, like an
Not
icon.
raw
More-
pace,
I-
not
I-
great
I-
athlete.
But
being
in-
a modern and
in-
free
in
kick
their
specialist,
time,
which he
this
was
was
more
like-
than that.
This was like
Yeah.
the biggest thing for white players was crossing the ball into the box, long passes, free kicks.
Such good
all this
crosses,
sort of
dude.
stuff.
Such
like
good
just
crosses.
how
like-
accurate you were.
Bro,
on
he'd
these
play
sorts of
make as well.
corners,
He'd be
Yeah.
good
everything, all
playmaker.
of it. Yeah,
And
he
he'd
had
score
it.
like decent amount of goals
Yeah,
as well.
yeah.
Like England
And
captain
always
as
a
well.
danger from set pieces.
Yeah,
for
for
sure.
Also like corners, free
Bro,
kicks.
he has the second
direct
highest.
free kicks.
मतलब Juninho के first है, and he's the second highest free kick goals में.
Yeah.
And his accuracy in matches, पता नहीं कितना, how many free kicks taken and stuff is really like his second best as well to Juninho. And so that's just.
अच्छा नंबर 7 पे चलें. मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था ये बॉय थोड़ा ऊपर होगा, लेकिन नहीं है इतना ऊपर. गैरेथ बेल.
That's pretty low to get
Yeah,
there.
that is pretty low.
I thought
Mustafa did not have him.
On the list, you didn't have Bale.
I
on the
had him
list?
at honorable mention, 11
Or
or something.
Bucket.
Yeah.
did
nobody
not have
cares about your honorable mentions, bro.
Yeah, that's all he gets.
Bucket
Like
didn't have-
I don't think
you
Gareth
put the-
Bale supersedes Ryan Giggs and whatever people were there.
यार,
Definitely.
Ryan
एक सेकंड
Whoa.
क्या भाई?
एक सेकंड क्योंकि वो लिस्ट में नहीं है, नंबर 19th पे आया था। रहीम स्टर्लिंग से तो बेहतर है, ब्रो। You had him at 9.
Yeah, the thing with Sterling, like I'll give my defense against that. Sterling's 26 years old and he's done pretty well. He's been playing since a young age. We know Bale's done at this age, and ठीक है, he has 4 Champions League, but most of them were like
Years what?
4 Champions League.
4 Champions
Sitting on the bench.
Nah, hello, sitting on the bench.
Get out of here, dude.
Bro,
फाइनल्स में कितने गोल्स मारे?
ठीक है यार, पहले 2-3
Bro, you know
सीजन
the
चला था
most-
मैड्रिड
Bro,
में आकर.
ट्रॉफीज
मेरे
वाली
बात
तुम्हारी
सुनो।
बात है तो फिर
Yeah.
चैंपियंस लीग मैड्रिड के लिए BBC एरा मैड्रिड का जो था the most Bale, Benzema, Cristiano Ronaldo, man. You guys watch some bad shit. I don't know what you watch. We watch.
I meant like.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
go on.
Yeah, वही ना उसमें knockout stages में
पूरे
Benzema,
explain ना करें.
Benzema and Bale had more contribution, and Bale especially had more contributions
Bro,
than Ronaldo
he
did
wasn't-
in knockout. वो
He wasn't a passenger at any of the Champions League wins. ठीक है ना? He was crucial and played a
and
pivotal role in
he
all
won
of them.
Liverpool के खिलाफ.
Yeah.
Before that he won Atletico के, he scored the 2-1 goal जो था. And
Yeah.
then Ronaldo scored the penalty
For me-
and got on
And
the
forget
race.
Madrid, bro. Just at Tottenham को भी देखो the way he killed Inter Milan
He's player of the
in the
season.
Champions
From left
League.
back.
Yeah, that's great.
From left.
यार तो मतलब इस तरह के accolades तो फिर गिग्स के पास like you know दर्जनों
तो
का
गिग्स को तो कंपेयर ही नहीं करे, तुम
नहीं,
तो
like,
स्टर्लिंग ले आओ ना बीच में.
Sterling भी ठीक, he's done well for
क्या
England.
किया?
Sterling's like a good player and
Yeah,
his
he dived
trajectory-
for-
अच्छा, he's done well for England, तो Bale's done well for Wales, bro.
Bro, Euro
क्या किया?
semi-finals.
He took them to
semi-finals.
Euros semi-finals. He took them to the World Cup
Yeah,
knockouts.
Bale has
और first time भी
his
था.
longevity is not there. He's played like maybe perhaps 6-7
What
क्या
longevity,
वो
bro?
कब तक खेले? 40 तक खेले वो.
32 साल के मर गया वो बेचारा
Bro,
गोल्फ
he's
शॉट पे
played for
लगा
10
हुआ है।
years.
तो-
He's played for 10 years.
17, dude. He's like.
And सिर्फ भागता है according to me,
Look,
just like got good pace, that's all.
No, man.
God.
He's like
Bro.
Giannis, you know, like
You're crazy, bro.
yeah,
Crazy.
Shaq.
Have you not seen him play? Well,
Yeah, I've seen
he
him
doesn't
play.
have those
dude.
Champions
I
League
wasn't that
flashbacks,
impressed.
so, yeah.
I've seen the Barca goals. I've seen the crazy runs. I've seen the Inter Milan
Bro,
matches.
you've just seen
Tottenham.
runs. You haven't seen him play, bro. He had proper.
और
technique.
क्या होता है, run play ही
When he
होता
won
है.
Tottenham Player of
Yeah.
Season, then he was. मतलब वो ही.
I
everything
think,
Tottenham
like,
did
yeah.
was
For me,
good.
he-
And Madrid, he was.
because for me,
apart
he
from,
wasn't
one
on the
season
list.
where he
I
wasn't
think it's
on,
fair.
Top form or
I'd
like
definitely
he
put
team
Sterling.
like
वो भी
injured
because of his
himself.
injuries.
Yeah, exactly. There was like
And-
1.5
and
seasons.
issues
But
with
apart
Zidane.
from that,
क्या था इसका ये what is this 8th?
Seventh.
7 Bale 7.
हाँ, 6 पे चले.
नहीं लेकिन ये क्या सीन है यार, ये तो बेल अगर टॉप 5 में था मेरा, और तुम लोग अभी कौन सा पोजीशन है अब? 7th पे जा रहे हैं.
मैंने 3rd पे डाला.
Bro, if Bale is, I think you guys are missing out a big player. I know he's gonna be in. He's not gonna be there. If Bale is 7th, so देख लेते हैं. चलो.
Number 6.
People have spoken.
Hazard.
No.
क्या हो गया?
Wait,
बहुत-
no way,
Who's,
Hazard
who's
is
ahead
number
of all
6
these players? बता who is ahead of them? I had Hazard as 4th.
अब क्या करें?
ये जो Chelsea boys है ना.
अच्छा खैर talking
Hazard की बात
talking on Hazard.
उतनी देर लिस्ट देखी.
My God. I cannot believe I have to
Yeah.
witness this. Like,
He's
क्या?
pretty low.
Hazard. Fucking.
What, he shouldn't be on the list.
Yeah, definitely not.
He shouldn't
Why?
be on the
He
list.
should be on the list.
What has he
He
done
didn't
wrong?
have him. He had Sterling. He didn't have
Oh my
Hazard.
god, bro, like what
He had
more do you
Sterling,
want
he
from a
didn't
guy?
have Bale.
Literally a winger, what more do you want from him?
Yeah,
He's done everything in
Yeah,
Lille.
अच्छा
He's
player.
done
Like,
everything
I'm not
in
saying,
Chelsea.
like, all of the players on the list are good players.
He's literally
What?
made Chelsea relevant in the last 5 years, bro. If any, like,
That's all he's done.
Big claim though.
that's all he's done. Are you crazy, bro? He's
Like,
made Chelsea
देख,
relevant,
अच्छा है,
Belgium
मतलब मैं
relevant.
ये नहीं कह रहा
He's
कि
won.
वो मतलब like I'm not comparing him to like Bebe or someone, like अच्छा player है यार, list के अंदर
He's
है.
miles better
He's
than
very good.
Sterling.
But then
He's-
again, you know, like for me, again, he's not done well at Madrid. His longevity is
One
not
season,
there.
one season, and he was injured throughout. What do you
Not-
want from him?
He's not performed, like he hasn't gotten Belgium over the line, which is expected of Hazard. He was a marquee player for
क्या
them.
मतलब ये कौन बेल्जियम और इस तरह की चीजें ना होल्ड कर on
Yeah, मतलब
people's
like
vote.
मेरा personal
Bro,
opinion
the
है ना.
first time
Then
the
तो
country-
Ronaldo,
the first time the
Ronaldo
country
shouldn't make
finished
any
third.
list.
Yeah, I mean, he did do the Euros.
वो तो एडर ने जीता.
Eder
इस
ने
बार.
जीता था, Ronaldo-
Ronaldo.
Sterling list में मेरी
हाँ है तुम्हारी.
10वें नंबर पे है.
9th पे है.
Ninth
9th पे Hazard हो सकता था.
नहीं, it's
That's
good.
कौन है इसका?
10वें पे Perez था.
Perez, yeah.
No,
Bro,
man.
Hazard for
Hazard
good
is
3-4
top 4 for
seasons
me.
was probably
Yeah, but
the
that's
best
3-4
player in
seasons,
the
yeah.
Premier League.
Not
And you're
3-4,
comparing to a
यार,
player
क्या
who's
हो
done
गया?
23 seasons.
Sanchez better था bro.
बस कर दे शादी बस कर दे
Sanchez
कोई
better था.
कोई
Sanchez
दुनिया में
really
सैंचेज
like-
बेहतर नहीं था
or like-
उससे
उस एक दो
There was
season-
like
Never,
one-
bro,
one
never.
season
Hazard-
Sanchez was
There
better.
were
bro.
seasons where
Nah.
Sanchez was just
Sanchez was just direct, bro. Just because he's direct, Hazard had everything, and Hazard even showed Chelsea के last season में
Sanchez
when
carried
Hazard,
Arsenal,
bro, Hazard has carried Chelsea.
Squad एक Arsenal का squad है, वो भी
Nah,
compare कर
bro.
लो.
Hazard has always been a better player. I don't know. इतनी comparison.
I hate Hazard.
saying one season.
But there's no season. There's the same with this Bruno KDB
We're not
thing.
saying
Like
we're
this,
just saying वो सिर्फ एक season का player है. खैर Hazard
No,
का
but
मैं
I'm just saying it's wrong. It's like
Hazard-
this Bruno KDB thing. For one season, Bruno's
मेरी
better.
बात सुनो.
But that's
Shit.
exactly what
मेरी
he
बात
did
bullshit,
for
bro.
one
मेरी
season.
बात सुनो. I did not have Sanchez in my list. I had Hazard. So I back that statement कि Hazard was a better player than Sanchez. इसमें कोई गलत बात नहीं है कि ये season उसका बेहतर गया है Hazard से. There's
Let's
nothing
not
wrong with
waste
that.
time on Hazard. He's not worth it.
Hazard, the baller, should have been in top 5.
The one with Arsenal won the FA Cup, I think.
Bro, this guy scored a hat trick while he was drunk, bro. Lily के साथ. Hazard. Lily ये जो भी है club
But that's his
इसका.
problem, dude. Like abhi at Madrid as well.
Yeah, we
showing up
cannot
overweight
give him
and stuff
marks
like
for
that.
this
He's
kind
not
of stuff.
keeping
Yeah,
fit.
मतलब, come on.
I think
100% marks. Tell me a player that's been drunk and scored the next day. Ronaldinho maybe. Levels,
Ronaldo
man.
for sure. Like
Hazard-
Ronaldinho for sure.
Yeah, only 100%.
I think the only thing Hazard has going against him, which is absolutely wrong, is that he's still a current player. So people don't
Yeah.
view him as
No,
all-time.
they're now like at Madrid, dude, showing up overweight as soon as he's
नहीं overweight, bro. Come on, लोग खाना, bro. You came from vacation, ठीक है? Everyone, खाना पसंद है उसको यार क्या हो
He's
गया?
a goddamn professional.
Yeah, dude,
तुम
come
यहाँ
on.
G11
मेरी बात सुन,
E11 में हम लोग
मेरी
खेल रहे होते कहते 9 बजे आओ जूते पहना करो जो वेट कम करो भागना है और Hazard को तुम दे रहे हो कि खैर है
Yeah,
तुम्हें
मेरी
weight
बात
हो गया।
सुनो,
Bro,
first
they're
of all-
humans, bro.
First of
Bro,
all-
he's chilling, bro. He's
First
chilling.
of all, his
Chilling है तो
overweight-
क्या आके bro he doesn't even train properly all the Chelsea
was-
teammates
This is the
no
problem.
my point is bro that's
मेरी
not
बात
getting
सुनो,
bro R9
everybody has it
bro
wrong.
R9 this is just shit excuse you have R9 bro everyone said R9 तुम लोग R9 greatest of all बड़ा रोला डाला था काफी लोगों ने कि ऑनरी से वो हमने सेकंड रेट किया था R9 was never serious इनफैक्ट ट्रेनिंग में वो कहते थे वो ड्रंक होके अगले दिन आता था ट्रेनिंग में सबकी मारता था Hazard was the same thing I'm saying just because you're good at
Until he
football
was not.
bro what do you mean until he was not he's just suffering from injuries
Hazard,
but once he comes
मेरी बात
back
सुनो।
bro naturally gifted footballer है ये तो इसलिए मैं कह रहा
Thyroids हो
हूँ
गए
you don't need
He's suffering from weight problem.
you don't need to इतना
घुटनों में
ज़्यादा
जान नहीं
Bro,
रही
like
उसकी।
if you
and he's
want to
fit
be
again bro he पता नहीं कोई 5-6 किलो ज़्यादा हो गया क्या खाया होगा
खा लिया
वही ना
But that's the
बिस्किट
thing,
जिसके
that's
खाया
the
होगा
thing I'm
गलती
trying to
से
say
इन्हें
is that-
burger खिलाओ।
मेरी बात सुनो
One
Sake, man, ये क्या
no
छोड़
I,
दिया इसमें?
bro I follow Hazard a lot था Instagram cupcake शपकेक खाता है ज़्यादा।
वो he wasn't even overweight.
Bro, he was literally-
he
he was
wasn't
the
उनका
headline of
मेरी
the
बात सुनो
show.
उनका overweight जो है ना वो that's still fit for them ठीक है ना it wasn't overweight ठीक है ना it wasn't overweight yeah I know that's why I said
Wait,
Depending on
I
by
said
the way,
उनका overweight
by the way ये कहते हैं चंकी ना भाई तुमने याया टोरे का सुना था वो क्या कहता है याया टोरे कहता है कि basically the butt right the bum कहता है it's a good weapon to use in football trust me this is a serious article he's like they use it really well no but Hazard
Bro, Yaya Toure got
Yaya
pissed
Toure
at
bro
City because they didn't
bro
give
no
him
no no
protection.
Yaya Toure का bro Yaya Toure said कि Hazard uses it the best कि उसका gravity and all that stuff the point is right कि maybe he's overweight for a reason Yaya Toure का logic हो रहा होगा कुछ
I don't agree. Let's be real.
Yeah, honestly, like this is
Yeah, I'm not-
like one of the worst excuses he has ever given to defend Hazard.
Acha, number 5. Only 2 points ahead of Hazard. Luis Figo.
Hazard is better than Luis Figo man.
no he isn't get out of here bro get out of here bro
easy
but I like we stood
है,
your
number
last
5, 6
rant
was exactly
for
like where Figo
Nah,
this-
bro.
in this
You
last
guys
few
are
minutes
just so वही बात है. Where did I have Figo?
यार वैसे मैं रूई कॉस्टा डालने लगा था
Seventh, perfect. He's seventh. He should
no
be there.
bro he's easily top 4 top 3
I had him at 5.
I had him at
Luis
7.
Figo अच्छा था लेकिन इतना भी नहीं जिस तरह तुम लोग overrate करते हो.
what were we overrating about him bro he had
He's
everything
better than Hazard and
he had
I don't
everything.
think
He
he's
had
better
technical
than.
ability, he had dribbling
Yeah.
ability, he could shoot, he had strength, he could get into.
He had speed and all that
he
stuff.
gets
कुछ
speed.
awareness था. He was
Yeah.
a great
His-
player. Good
Played
player.
for a long
He-
time.
and he
Not
played
a
for a
long
long
time.
time.
He just like the inter years were like
नहीं इंटर में भी
Inter, no, forget
was
Inter, bro.
really
Barca
good.
years.
Madrid.
Barca,
Madrid में अच्छा था, but inter years में he was like
He wasn't, bro. He was the same.
he wasn't the same.
Bro, he wasn't the same. ये मैं कह रहा हूँ कि.
Bro, I think he won. Go through his individual honors at Inter. I'm pretty sure he won like.
Bro, if you guys hold, the thing is.
No, he won a Scudetto. Scudetto जीता था 2009 में I think.
नहीं, even
Yeah,
as
titles
individual
is how much
he
you
won.
contribute and what you
Yeah.
played in, man. किस तरह खेल रहे
नहीं,
हो?
as an
About
individual,
Inter,
like-
yeah, you go again. You're taking one club season. Look at what he did in Barca. Look at
No, he's
what he
not
did in
like
Madrid.
he deserves
Look
to
what
be
he did.
fair. Like look
Yeah.
at
Bro,
what
top
he
10
did.
में तो है, मैं
Portugal.
तो नहीं कह रहा. I'm just thinking I rate Hazard higher
Great
than
player,
him. He
but
should be
yeah,
there.
fifth. But that generation of Portugal with Rui Costa and everyone should have won a Euro to cement the legacy.
तो Euros unlucky हुए थे ना उस
Yeah,
Greece के
exactly.
बाद.
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ कि if
Greece,
that would
that
have happened,
fluke,
then perhaps
Greece,
like few
yeah.
more levels up.
अच्छा खैर Zako had him at second and Essen had him at second and
Second
Ash
we-
had him at third.
I'm
Where did
pretty
I-
trashy list.
He was you had him at fourth.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Uh,
fine, man. He made-
Inter Milan में he was their player of the year.
Boom. There you go.
Their player of the year.
Which season?
2006.
title winning. No, title winning.
Title winning.
Title winning. हाँ.
2006 wasn't Juventus, right?
No, no.
This was
2006 तो Juventus
ये
Calciopoli.
वो Mourinho था?
हाँ, they won and then they lost.
नहीं नहीं 06 में मोरिनियो नहीं था. यार अब मैनेजर कौन था?
नहीं
Inter
नहीं
में?
वो दफा करो.
Mancini नहीं था?
नहीं नहीं.
अलग टॉप गोल स्कोरर कौन था?
कौन?
टोटी.
This was that Calciopoli wala season, not
Yeah,
Juventus
yeah.
actually won, but then they gave the title to Inter.
Number 4 वलीद snaps बना रहे हो? तब गए हो?
नहीं नहीं.
Number 4
Checking my
Ribery.
list.
कौन है?
Perfect.
Ribery.
I'm so glad Figo से तो बेहतर है. लेकिन ये मसला ये है कि फिर अगर इसका
तुम्हें-
पार्टनर होगा.
तुम्हें Figo से क्या मसला है?
No, I don't have a
बता
masla, bro. I'm just messed up with the list. You guys have missed out on so
The
many
Air
players.
Hazard fan club over
Bro,
here.
you guys have missed out
Yeah,
on
that's
so
the
many
main
players.
Waleed की
And
जो
the
list
second,
है, it's more recent than ours because
bro, not
obviously-
recent.
Not
I
good.
have Figo. I have Figo at 7th. What are you
I
talking
know
about?
तुम्हें वैसे क्या मसला है? तुमने अभी जो भी बोले एक एक दो पोजीशंस ही ऊपर नीचे हैं.
Bro, but that makes them better in the sense कि वो से list पे आगे जाते हैं, which is गलत बात है. गलत बात है ये.
Butter लोग
And
सबसे
secondly,
दिमाग खा रहा है.
16 people की लिस्ट है. तो
Wrong.
obviously ऊपर नीचे होंगे यार.
they're wrong. And secondly, इसका partner
They're
जो
wrong.
था,
मैं
इसका
ठीक हूँ.
partner,
सब
इसका
ठीक.
इसका
सब
partner
गलत है,
जो
मैं
था,
ठीक हूँ.
इसका
सब
partner
गलत है,
जो
मैं ठीक
Ribery,
हूँ.
where's Ribery?
इसके
Fourth
पार्टनर
ना?
की बात ना करो.
वही ना,
Ribery
इसकी
fourth
पार्टनर
है.
इसका पार्टनर इससे आगे होगा शायद. तो ये गलत बात है. Ribery was a better player than Robin is. And
No,
you
मैंने
guys
अभी
no.
बोले कि
You
उसका
guys-
नाम ना लो और तुम
वलीद तो
Yeah. Robin, no,
No,
bro.
that's the thing. Why is he ahead of him? It's insane,
why-
man. It's
why?
mad.
Why?
that-
Why not?
It's-
Robin
it's-
scored
you guys
more
are
goals
mad
than
that
Ribery.
people.
He
You
had
guys are
better
mad
goals
when
and
you see.
assists
यार
than
तुम
Ribery. He
देखो
won more than
टेक्निक्स
Ribery.
सिर्फ
Ribery-
टेक्निक्स नहीं
No,
होती.
सिर्फ टेकवाइज
It's
करने
not
से
about. It's not about tech. Because Ribery was robbed
What
of
is
a
it
Ballon
about?
d'Or.
It's
Ribery-
not about goals,
Ribery-
it's not about assists,
Bro,
it's
we
not
can't
about-
even we can't even praise
और
Ribery
क्या है,
right
क्या?
now because of
Bro, the thing is,
We would really like
we
to
would
talk about how
really,
good
yeah, we
Ribery
would
was.
really like to talk
Ribery
about
was-
how
no,
good
but
Robin
Ribery
Dutch लीग जीता उसके बाद वो
Bro,
किधर
Ribery's
गया था?
top three
Chelsea
for me.
अभी यार रिबेरी की बात करो.
हाँ,
रॉबिन
Ribery भी बहुत अच्छा है,
Ribery's
चकास player.
Ribery's top.
मैं नाराज ना हो. बस अगले 15 मिनट वीडियो के.
Top 3. Ribery's top 3, man, for me, and he was robbed of a Ballon d'Or, and he's had that.
टॉप 4 आ गया
top
यार.
4 आ गया. That's
मतलब
one
एक-
player.
But the thing is, for me personally, all my life I've fighted for this fight of Ribery being better.
कह रहा था ये like Ribery तो वहाँ नफल पड़ रहा
I was saying Ribery is better than Robin for me always.
अच्छा तुम ये बातें कर रहे हो ना कि
Always.
रिबेरी तुम हमेशा फाइट करते हो. यू बेराम had him at second, you had him at third.
Oh.
तो ठीक है, because
बेराम
Behram
को तुम कहते हो कि वो सही नहीं जज करता.
Behram knows ball this time. but he doesn't know ball at the same time because he's left out a baller at a second then, man.
Bro, मैं तो एक
अच्छा यार कोई हम डिस्कस कर लें रिबेरी को उसकी accomplishment कोई क्या किया उसने जिंदगी
बेचारा
में.
है.
He was robbed off a Ballon d'Or, bro, at 2013.
He was.
He was.
And yeah, man, you guys are just wrong to put him forward.
Okay.
एक काम करते हैं, हम चले जाते हैं, इसको हॉटल शूट खुद करेंगे.
It's just me guys. I've kicked everyone out.
हाँ जी, welcome back to me. I will tell you everything.
Bro, this list got अजीब है यार बहुत ज़्यादा because I don't
अच्छा ना एक मिनट सादी.
Literally.
Just tell us why Ribery
upset, man.
should be higher. Like कुछ बता तो सही ना कि क्यों होना चाहिए. Bowler is not enough.
अगला वाला I'm sure वही होगा.
देखते हैं ना.
अभी रिबेरी की बात.
साथी मुझसे देखते हैं ना, just tell us.
So यार, let him go through the process.
रिबेरी की बातें करो यार.
Ribery was a great
करो
player.
बातें.
Great for Bayern.
Okay, why do you think he should be
मैंने
higher?
तो-
Ribery दिल का
higher
अच्छा
छोड़
था,
दो,
दिल
मैंने
का
कह दिया
सच्चा
सब
था.
दिल का वैसे नहीं पता इसका भी ये था Valbuena
हाँ,
वगैरह.
Valbuena
हाँ,
वाला
ये
scene
साथ
था
था.
इसका.
2010
इसका
में
नहीं
इसका
हुआ
कोई
यार, क्या
इंसिडेंट हुआ
किया
था ना.
था? He's had no incident.
No,
Rape
he
allegations.
had incident.
Have you seen his face? Like looks like a pirate.
Bro, but he's been through hell, bro. Like,
So
when
he's
they
also
say-
like been accused of a lot of
That's
incidents.
accusations, but I don't think they were true. Like,
That's why they were accusations.
no, accusations है. It's just like I can accuse
इस
you of
तरह
shit.
तो
as well,
Giggs
doesn't
ने
mean
भी
it's
बोला
true.
था कि you know like
नहीं उस तरह फिर रोनाल्डो का भी वो सीन है लेकिन
Cristiano
काफी-
Ronaldo, right?
हाँ,
तो वही he's not like it was. तो यही बात है कि गलत है. You can't hold that against someone who's not proven वाली बात.
yeah, he was a very good player and but
Pretty about-
Ribery, bro, technical ability. I don't
Very
think
good.
anybody surpassed him in technical
Yeah.
ability, like and speed. Even for Fiorentina, bro, like he's
Yeah.
making down still.
Bro, he's
making
like
38,
remember when he
he's
came in the
38, he's still
2006
playing.
World Cup,
Yeah.
like that breakout when he was playing with Zidane,
Yeah.
super fucking good. He would definitely deserves fourth, I think, which is very good because the players that are going to be ahead of him definitely deserve.
Yeah,
those
I think top
spots,
5
yeah.
easy to hai,
Yeah,
obviously.
Probably
And,
him and Robin, one of the best wing duos ever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That
For-
partnership,
it's
like-
it's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
I've seen very few.
Yeah.
इस तरह नहीं,
Everybody's
maybe कौन सा?
Everybody's better.
अच्छा नंबर 2 नहीं है नंबर 3 है वलीद फिर तपेगा नेमार
Wow,
Oh.
you guys rate Robin higher than Neymar as well. मतलब
But how, Igman, that's pretty upsetting to me as well. Like, how is
So
Neymar third? He should
Neymar
be
is top 2.
1,
इस
2,
तरह
yeah.
मैं बताता हूँ कैसे एक सेकंड Bucker did not have him in his list.
Neymar at all?
Bakar ने list भेजने की ज़हमत तो why did you send the list? ना ही भेजते.
बकर किधर हो तुम? बकर जवाब दो.
I thought Bakar had Neymar. Like I thought Bakar liked Neymar. No? Isn't he always like super?
मैं
भूल
मैं
गया
क्या
होगा.
बोलूँगा
भूल
Yeah,
गया.
okay.
अच्छा तुम भी क्या कर रहे हो तुमने 8th पे डाला हुआ था नेमार
Damn, Neymar at
At
8.
least he's on the list though.
8.
Did they really have him at 8?
Damn, bro, like Neymar is
mad, bro. You
probably
guys are
after
mad.
like
he had him at 3rd
yeah.
you had him at 2nd you had him at 2nd I had him
And this
at
is
4th.
why, and this is एक और बात भी है.
I thought he was at least
Since
6
obviously
to be
फिर
honest.
bro 2-3 लोग रह गए तो obviously Di Maria hasn't made it to the list.
That's
And you guys are.
horrible.
Di
I
Maria
had-
hasn't made it
I had
bro.
Di Maria in
I had-
6th, and you guys no one did though. Was
I
there?
had
No.
I had him in my
That's why
list.
he's
I had
underrated.
him
Di Maria is top 10 easy.
हाँ
bro.
easy
Easy.
मैं
Di
इसमें
Maria's
disappoint
been-
हुआ था और मैं सलाह पे disappoint हुआ था
Yeah, Salah पे मैं disappointed. Di Maria पे.
I left
We don't
Perez
have
out for
Salah on the
Salah. I
list.
think
And
Salah's a better.
let's talk about the out of the list.
no, but I think
बताइए
Salah's-
किसने नहीं डाला.
Let's
सलाह
talk
को
about-
किसने नहीं डाला
हाँ.
सलाह को
And Salah's, I think Salah's
एक
better
मिनट,
than
yeah,
Perez
let's
as
talk
well.
about
bro.
out of list वाले बाद में ना.
चलो we talk about India.
नेमार पे आ गए.
हम चारों ने पांचों ने डाले बकर इंक्लूडिंग बाकी किसी ने नहीं डाला
Boy, Chelsea boys, bro. It's like, I know you
Yes, and
guys.
Adam.
यार उनकी list is like some sort of competition, you know, like.
Is Florin Maluda on the list by any chance?
अच्छा हाँ किसकी बात कर रहे थे
नेमार।
नेमार की
नेमार।
ब्रो करो बातें
Bro,
भाई।
he's
तुम करो बातें हर वक्त जो
oh he's he's dead inside now.
No, I'm just
He's
gonna say.
shook.
I'm just gonna say he's the closest thing to Ronaldinho.
Yeah.
And if you guys,
I saw a tweet
Ronaldinho,
today. I saw a tweet
if you
today,
guys-
and you
it's
liked it
like
as well.
you.
Yeah, and I liked it as well. This guy said that the people who wish for the Ronaldinho era again and then complain about Neymar are the reason why these type of players don't exist anymore.
exactly.
Because like एक तरफ पे you want like all that Samba ठीक है वो highlights में बड़ा fit लगता है, but you need players like Neymar out there balling every second day.
And bro,
And
they
you
all
can-
have attitude issues like every
Yeah.
player does. But that's the thing.
Yeah,
That's the baggage
that
that comes with them.
comes with the
That
game,
comes
bro.
with the game, bro. Like
But
that's
you
what I'm
can't
saying.
hold
Like
that against
Hazard.
him.
That's
Yeah,
why I'm
you-
saying I don't hold the attitude thing against Hazard. It's
It's not
different.
attitude,
It's the
being
thing with
overweight, Neymar
no,
is
bro.
not
Neymar has other issues, bro.
Stop
Bro,
fixating on that.
कसम से
खाने
अजीब
दो
सा.
वो क्या?
Yeah.
उसको
No,
खाने
and
दो।
वही नेमार के लोग फिर यही कहते हैं इसी तरह हैजार्ड को ओवरवेट रखते हैं कि doesn't take it seriously. नेमार का कहते हैं
ये वही
doesn't take
लोग
it
हैं जो
seriously on
आजम
the
खान की
pitch.
बेइज्जती करते हैं ट्विटर पे.
तो
अच्छा मुझे वो बना दिया।
खैर anyways
तो वही गलत बात है.
Yeah.
You're just wrong, bro.
Yeah, definitely.
Neymar-
After
Look, I think
Neymar's a
I
great
think-
player, and that one season where I think it's the one where Neymar left, or
Barca?
maybe the one before that. Yeah, when he left Barca. So again, you look at the numbers and all you see is Messi, right? But Neymar really carried them a lot.
bro.
Yeah,
Even when he was at
I was
Bro,
checking
for
out.
he
this-
carried नहीं लेकिन हाँ he
Bro,
was
why
a
did-
major
bro, why
Yeah,
did-
as in like
Bro, he did carry. What are you
He did
talking about?
carry, yeah,
Messi
yeah.
was injured for more than half a season. No, he was injured
More
for
than
more.
half of season?
Yes,
Yeah,
he was
yeah,
injured.
yeah.
Go and check it.
Yeah, season
2014,
में था.
and Neymar and Suarez, and
अच्छा,
mostly
easy, भाई.
Neymar carried. No, but Neymar has carried that team as well. That's
Neymar
what
के
I'm
पता
saying.
है एक और
Neymar's done it all, bro, and
he
you
has
guys-
this other misconception like ठीक है he dives quite a bit but he also stands up on his feet a lot.
Yeah,
like that one,
always.
like in Santos especially, or people have this thing, oh, sort of Premier League mein sort of tough hote defenders. No, bro. You go to the South American leagues, those guys are animals. ठीक है ना? And Neymar, he would he would dodge them. नहीं, bro, there's literally the way they come.
कोपा अमेरिका देखो, जाइलो की तरफ
Yeah.
आ रहे हैं दूसरे को.
तुमने तो देखा नहीं ना, तुम तो बस सिर्फ पता नहीं हम सफर देखते हो या क्या देखते हो. लेकिन Neymar, bro, Neymar, try watch it.
पानी ना मुश्तबा की देख ये ले यार.
तो ये बोतल लीजिए.
But yeah,
These white players get kicked a lot.
He
So I
should have
think
been.
A lot of them have a bad rep for going down too easily because these guys, especially the ones who are really good technically who dribble, most of these guys are good dribblers.
Harry Kane is clever and Neymar is a diver.
Yeah,
Harry Kane is messed up. But he should have been 1-2.
But
Easy.
even PSG maybe
3 is.
PSG maybe but every time Neymar the PSG plays a big game in the Champions League whatever, so at the end में people will always be like, oh, Neymar couldn't do it, but he plays like he plays his heart out in every
Like
single
everything
responsible.
short of like becoming a holding midfielder or centre back,
Exactly.
he's doing pretty much everything.
Yeah.
What more do you want from the guy?
Number 2.
Oh, we know who it is.
Who?
Robin?
If it's not
That's Robin.
Overrated, man, so overrated.
I think
don't have him
Robin
top
Robin
10.
is
Robin is not overrated. He got the number
I'll
2
tell you
spot
why.
because of the Chelsea
I'll tell you
boys,
why.
I think.
Because I had him
नहीं,
6th,
नहीं,
and I don't think he's इतना jump है उसका कि 2 पे हो यार.
Behram had him at first.
तो ये overrated है, bro. That's what I'm trying to say. Is overrated.
Look, no.
This
That
is overrated.
first is overrated.
reserved
First
for
take
one
here.
man.
Bro, even
One man.
bro,
First is
even-
overrated.
Bro,
He
this
was-
is even
he-
making
he
top
is-
5 now. I'm just saying, even
he's
making
top
top
five,
5, right? I don't think he's top 5 because I think Bale, Hazard, and Ribéry are better than him and make it ahead of him. And they make it
What
ahead of
Robin,
him.
what Robin
Bro,
has,
he's not- no,
what
bro.
Robin has achieved in his career,
He's
Bale
top
and
6 for
Hazard,
me.
even if they had another 6 years, they wouldn't be able to achieve
I'm
it.
sorry, but they're better players. I don't care about achieving. I think
They're not
what,
better players,
What
bro.
are they better at?
They're
What
not
is
better
Hazard
at-
What are they better at?
What is
Bro,
Hazard
the thing
better
is,
at than
the
Robin?
only thing I rate about Robin is right. He's effective, bro. Like he's crazy
I-
effective,
I-
and that's why I
down.
rate about Salah
Passing-
as well.
Passing,
That's what- bro.
are you saying Hazard and Bale are better than Robin in passing?
In passing,
They're
yeah,
not.
Hazard's a better passer.
Technically
Easy.
dribbling,
Bro, Hazard's a
they're
better
not.
passer than Robin. What's wrong with you?
Bro,
And I
those
don't want to
curlers,
disrespect, bro. I don't want to disrespect Robin because he's up there, but he's not a better passer. than
Passing,
him.
finishing,
Robin
everything.
का ये बात है कमाल है कि वही बात है
यार, उसका
ब्रूस ली
defensive
वाली
work
बात
rate भी
कि
बहुत अच्छा है।
I fear the
Surprisingly so good at defense.
Unbelievably quick.
One of the
Bro,
rare wingers that comes back. as
Bale
well,
had a
yeah.
proper work rate on him. Hazard doesn't, neither I agree.
यार बेल को छाड़ दे बस.
And नहीं खैर Robin की ये scene है. I don't want to disrespect him. It's ज़्यादा लेकिन
You already have. You
have.
literally
No, but I'm
thrown
saying-
him under the bus.
No,
Like
I
all
haven't, bro.
four
I
last
had,
4
where did I have
positions.
Robin? I had him 6th. That's what I'm rating
Not
him.
in the list. You literally berated the guy on not live television.
No, I haven't,
but
bro.
camera.
Live
Bro,
YouTube.
bro,
YouTube.
Robin को मैंने 6 डाला था, but I don't think he's makes top 2 जो है scene है इस तरह काफी overrated है scene
you.
इसका.
जरा बता
Like,
किसने
and,
कलर
uh,
की
second-
रखा?
मैंने second पे रखा था. Waleed had him at 6th. Tariq had him at 3rd. You had him at 4th. Zako 3rd. Bakar 4th. Behram 1st. Mani 2nd. Essen 8th.
I can't speak for Essen. I can't.
Wild card.
I can't.
काम कर रहा होगा कोई.
No, देखो, I can't speak for Essen. Essen थोड़ा अजीब दुनिया में है. लेकिन ये है कि और भी रॉबिन की तारीफ मैं ये करता हूँ कि वही ब्रूस ली की बात कि I don't fear the guy who practices 1,000 kicks or something. I fear the guy who practices 1 kick 1,000 times. And that's what Robin was. He'd
Isn't that the
always.
same thing? You just said 1,000 kicks, 1 kick.
Man, I don't
1,000
even
times, and you
understand
get
what
1,000
he's saying,
No,
but
it isn't
neither
the
will the
same thing.
subscribers. So.
1,000 kicks, 1,000 kicks for one kick 1,000 times. Variety नहीं एक चीज में अच्छा है. And वो एक चीज वही था कि they couldn't stop him. Bro, think, bro, you're pretty slow. तुम भी मुश्तबा का हम सफर लेवल आ रहे हो. लेकिन खैर point ये है कि Robin का everyone knew what he was going to do and you couldn't stop him. That's how good he was. And he's a baller there in that sense.
Baller का title दे दिया उसको.
पुलीत का एनालिसिस ये होती है, दो बातें और बॉलर.
ये वाला सिफारिशी उसने दिया, उसका मूड नहीं था बॉलर बोलने का.
Number 1.
Yeah.
Just one guy, bro.
Anyone give him like number
हाँ,
2
मैं
or
बता रहा हूँ. Ronaldinho, 14 people had him at first.
Out of?
16. Behram had him at 3rd.
Who's second?
Damn, bro.
Ribéry.
Who is
He had Robin and Ribéry over Ronaldinho?
Yes.
Damn.
And
Bro, he just hates
Shadman had him at 2nd. He had Neymar at first.
So perfect. ठीक है. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Neymar, respect, man. Respect. And no, and again, by the way, ये Neymar वाली बात
you have broken your record. 6 consecutive players. You have not talked about the player we beat. 6 consecutive players. नहीं इसकी मैंने बात नहीं करनी.
Bro, listen. By the way, नेमार का भी इसने फर्स्ट रखा है ना. ये भी मैं काफी like I was gonna मैंने भी बहुत सोचा इस पे. नेमार का ये सीन है कि नेमार का ये सीन है कि he brings everything Ronaldinho brought, ठीक है. But at the same time, he's been effective. Like he's been direct, bro. Ronaldinho के if you check, put their goals and assists and all that stuff together, ना नेमार की contributions बहुत ज़्यादा है Ronaldinho से. In fact, if you don't put their names in right, a lot of people would choose, अच्छा, I want this player. Then when you show them the player's name, it'll be Neymar. 100%. No, I'm telling you, like you guys put a random stat,
I get what you mean. I get what
I
you
was
mean.
doing the stats
लेकिन
for
वो
all
pioneer
12 players that I said.
No, I get the thing. It's a sentimental value.
Also, that's the thing, right?
But
If you're just looking at stats, then Hazard is.
I was
really
doing
low
the
on
stat
list.
analysis
You need to-
of my 12 players.
What do you mean? तो यही तो मैं तुम्हें कह रहा हूँ stats के बारे में कि
Neymar
brought all over. Neymar brought all over Ronaldinho did
मैं
plus stats.
तुझे ये कह रहा हूँ कि stats
खुदा के लिए से कोई नौकरी दे दे पीटीवी स्पोर्ट्स के अंदर नहीं हमारा दिमाग गया
मैं तो बोल रहा भी नहीं तो क्या है चुसे
लगे हुए हैं, चुसे मार रहे हैं।
वो मुझे कुछ कह रहा है तुम लोग मुझे बोलने नहीं दे
उस बेचारे
मैं बेचारा 15 दफा कोई बात करने की कोशिश कर हाँ वो कैमरा चल
उस
रहा है।
बेचारे ने गलती से पहली बार जिंदगी में स्टैट्स खोला है
हाँ।
एक प्लेयर के लिए.
देख लिया मेहनत की है लेकिन अब तुम दोनों अपनी कोई
No, he's talking about something. I don't know what he's talking
अगर
about.
खाली stats देखो ना तो फिर it doesn't paint a complete picture. That's why if you look at just the
तो
stats
मैं तो खाली stats की बात नहीं कर रहा.
अगर stats को
What are you trying to tell me?
बोलने दो
अच्छा चल रहे हैं
No, but you're
एग्जैक्टली
No, ये मुझे
तो अब सीखे मैं 10 साल पहले समझ गया तू जीत गया भाई तू जीत गया तू अलग दुनिया में है ये मार से है
रोनाल्डिनो के बारे में बता
Bro, ये मुझे कह रहे कि stats नहीं मैं stats की बात ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ. तू किधर से लाया ये बात मुझे ये मैं
अच्छा अब मैं बोल दूं
गलती हो कंटिन्यू
Yeah, bro, you better be sorry. Be sorry.
मैंने भी
I
अपने
don't know what
12
you're talking
प्लेयर्स का
about.
जो है स्टैट्स देखा था एंड रोनाल्डिनो वाज इन द लोएस्ट कैटेगरी बट यार दैट आई टेस्ट you know like
once you
I could
see him
not
play,
not place him at number 1 like
you have
कोई
I've never
scene ही नहीं
seen
है यार
I don't think anyone's ever seen anything like it.
yeah nothing
The closest is name.
जो innovation थी यार उसकी like just do you remember that goal जब वो खड़ा
Chelsea वाला?
oh yeah and just
Dude, the free kick against England for
level था boy का यार
2002 World Cup.
yeah.
samba
He was fearless, man. Like proper, he did not give.
so
And
tired
the
Shit.
like the
Damn, I was
amount
gonna say
that,
damn.
even with him the amount the guy got kicked
Yeah.
and still
अच्छा
to be
मजे की
doing
बात
these things on the field.
मजे की बात ये है कि ज़को का बड़ा यूटर्न एक मारा है इसने अभी.
Yeah.
रोनाल्डिनो की तारीफें कर रहा है ना. रोनाल्डिनो का काका हसीन है 100%.
Yes. I was
इसको
gonna come to that,
इसका
bro.
मसला इसका but that's the thing that everyone's a hypocrite bro over here. Everyone.
So I'll give you some context
the
so you
thing-
can
Bro,
shit on him.
bro,
as
he
well.
can-
No,
Nah, bro, you're just
So
wrong,
in the
man.
last video, Zacko said he didn't put him in Kaka in the midfielders list. जी अंक इसकी भी खुल गए हैं, देख लो. तो because he did not do enough for Madrid and we were like bro 6 years in Milan he did everything. नहीं 6 years काफी नहीं था. मुझे बताओ रोनाल्डिनो का कितना साल था बारसा में?
4-5
and he just won one Champions League I think
And he just won one Champions League, bro.
so-
One Ballon d'Or.
and maybe
One
two
Ballon
good
d'Or.
PSG
Same
seasons
Kaká wala
Same.
scene.
See the difference.
And at AC Milan when he went he wasn't
Ah,
bad.
kind of different.
But
Yeah, he
according
wasn't
but by
bad.
your logic
Yeah.
right we will place him
Yeah.
bad because
Yeah.
we want the same respect.
No,
वो वाला
see,
scene है.
And he won one league there as well. That's it.
So the difference is in the
5 years at
in the
Barca.
midfielders list when you have defensive, central, attacking midfielders, all these players, it's a very, very large number of people who were at the top of their game, right? So then when you have these many people who were did all these things for so long in their career, so then you have to say, acha, what else can I look at?
What are the
Then
kind of
that's
players
when longevity
he had
comes
above
into it.
Kaká?
Because all the other players in that list,
He didn't have him in his list.
all the other players in that list, all the other players in that list
Yeah.
will play for a long
मैं
time.
कौन
नहीं ये इस पे यार
Bro,
this
that is the most
इसका
messed
जायचा
up,
निकाला जाए.
lazy
No,
argument
it makes-
ever.
it makes sense.
It makes no sense.
When you're
Because you
comparing-
had in this list, you had right wingers, left wingers, you had wingers like Perez who would come in. They weren't traditional wingers.
So would you place Ronaldinho above Perez?
Never
I did.
bro.
You would, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you don't disagree, right?
what
You're
What?
saying that
You
Ronaldinho
proved
is
my
100% better than Perez.
Yes.
Yeah, but that's not
so
even
the
close.
position, what you're saying, the
So this
position, attacking mid, defensive mid, it doesn't matter.
No.
As a midfielder, rating one player, Kaká, he came on
नहीं,
top.
वो देख, उस
So it
mid-
पूरा U-turn हो गया इसका.
Midfielders वाली list में इतने ज़्यादा लोग हैं when you have people like you have Zidane.
number 1 का नाम ले लो ना, जो definitely.
No,
that's the
Zidane,
competition.
Xavi, Iniesta, Pirlo, all these sorts of
Kante,
people. in the list.
Totti, Lampard, Scholes, Modric, Xavi, Pirlo,
He had Scholes
Iniesta,
ahead of
Gerrard,
Kaka.
Zidane.
He had Kante ahead of Kaka. ठीक है, तुम United वाले हो. I got your look.
Thank God. Thank you.
There's so many
I
people
didn't
who
need to
can
say
fit in
anything.
this list that you have to look at how long the person is.
I would not put.
You only had one DM there, so your logic
Or
is
natural.
totally flawed.
It's hard.
Yeah,
to
but
put-
you got to be.
Anyways,
consistent
we are
with
on
these.
Ronaldinho.
Yeah.
What?
Regardless of how long his career was and what he achieved, he
यार
was.
वो
Magic,
5 years,
bro.
वो बेशक
Magic,
3
yeah.
साल खेलता था,
Yeah.
he was.
Yeah.
And there's another thing,
was
people
so good.
like look at his Barca years a lot, but in PSG,
Yeah.
he was
PSG
he was phenomenal, bro. Like,
Bro, and even
it's
when he
crazy.
couldn't move the same way at AC Milan, he was still like destroying players. Like people were afraid to get close to him.
He's
And in
just-
fact, Barcelona versus AC Milan match का तुम जाओ ना
Yeah,
Champions
yeah.
League में जाके देखो उसका.
No, some of his Champions League
was-
highlights, a lot of it is still like.
He'd
Milan
bring it
era.
on and off in AC Milan. Like जो mood होता था ना boy का तो फिर
तो bro,
cheese
that's
होता
the
जब
thing
सिडोर्फ
with
आता था तो फिर इनके बस ये कोने में टक्कर्स चल रहे होते थे, वैसे टचीज मार रहे होते थे.
बाकी वैसे बता दूं कोई controversial picks.
Bro, I can't believe
Honorable
Mo Salah
mentions.
didn't make the list, dude.
गलत बात है.
100% deserved
Bro,
to
by
be
the way,
on the list.
ये तुम लोग का वो bias है, वो जो playing तुम कहते हो ना कि अभी खेल रहे हो और जो
Yeah.
pass हुए. I think Perez के 100%
Pass
bias
away,
है.
for God's sake, bro.
चल.
हाँ.
No, the
Perez का ये Perez का bias है इस पे because Mo Salah is better than Robert
The
Perez and even
disrespect-
Sadio Mane is better than Perez, bro.
The
And I had this argument with
No,
Santi
man,
last
you were
year.
fine with Mo
No,
Salah.
bro, I
Yeah,
had this.
okay.
No, just
Mane
because
को
of,
तो ना लाओ
no,
यार,
just because
बिल्कुल.
of one bad season, you guys are underrating
Not
Mane.
one bad season.
Yeah, just one
Generally.
bad season. And
That's not.
secondly,
How do you know that's why we're not
मेरी
rating?
बात सुनो,
because
ये-
जितना
Did
knows
you go
तो
into
बोला-
side? Did you
Bro,
go
because
inside our
Mane was
minds?
because Messi had Mane.
That's not why we're not.
Perez is not ahead of Salah because के बाकियों ने उसे रेट नहीं किया. ये जो 3 Chelsea boys है ना,
Bro,
उन्होंने
each other just
वो-
butthurt,
they,
dude.
they don't like
Yeah,
him.
yeah, they
ये
don't-
मसला
they don't
हुआ.
like him.
Bucker had him at 3rd though, Salah.
So he's if you as a wide
Objectively
player,
speaking, Salah should be on that list.
as a wide player,
He should
if you're winning the Golden
sure.
Boot 2 seasons and placing second in third
I-
season,
Bro, it's not
And
just
winning
about
the Champions
Liverpool.
League
Bro, it's not about
Yeah,
Liverpool. If
Champions
you go
League,
back
you're one
to
of the assist leaders.
And he's 29?
Yeah, I mean, what else is he's placed in Ballon d'Or?
At
What
least
else is the player
7th,
supposed to
8th
do?
types.
उसका भी
होना
by the way,
चाहिए.
काका का U-turn उस पे भी बनता है.
क्यों?
Yeah.
Okay, he's only been 3-4 years at Liverpool.
Bro, क्योंकि इतने और players नहीं है ना जो इस लिस्ट में आ सकते
अच्छा,
हैं.
चलो, I just wanted to get it in one last
Yeah,
time.
वैसे wingers
But
की
another
list
another one,
Because
another
this
one.
position has evolved so much. Wingers didn't used to be prolific.
Nani
They
डालते हैं.
didn't used to score a lot of goals. They were mostly assists वगैरह में आते थे, but you wouldn't see them as much in the stats. Now these days, 30-20 goals a season, leading in assists.
Another player
wide
who
forwards have become a thing.
Another
you know?
player who definitely should have been on this list, and he's completely underrated is
Di
Di
Maria.
Maria. The guy is like everything. Like वो वलीद का baller, tackers, assist.
Bro, I'm
goals.
telling you, I'm gonna go out there and say it. Just because he's not good looking, he's not rated.
Oh, yeah.
Simple.
That's not why.
Yeah, bro,
We had
people
Ribery
don't
on the
rate him.
list, dude. Like, come on.
People, I don't know why that's. No, but where do you have him? वही ना गलत है. उसके भी underrate किया था. उसे भी underrate
Ribery
किया था.
fourth
Hey,
की
why
ताकि
is
पर
it-
उसके मुंह पे निशान है.
वही रिबरी को
इसका
भी.
ना
Bro,
इसका
तुम
इस
लोगों ने-
एपिसोड का ना हैशटैग डाली वलीद इट्स ऑल अबाउट द लुक्स. उस वक्त से बेकम की लुक्स की बात कर रहे हैं, रिबरी की लुक्स की बात कर रहे
But
हैं.
yeah, bro, like no,
No,
Di Maria
is
is
because
there, bro.
no, it's because एक तो वो एक United season की वजह से खराब हुआ.
And by the way, United season.
and
Let me give an
PSG
let me give light to that United
PSG
season.
में उसने
Let me
Bro-
finish first what I was saying.
No, but
then you
bro-
can give light. Huh? What do you
No,
okay, go.
no, let's give light to that and then you can continue, bro. Bro, the bad season, bro, bad season
go.
means it wasn't because he couldn't fit in the Premier League and all that stuff. It was because Louis van Gaal wanted to play a 3-5-2 and he wanted Di Maria as a central attacking midfielder, which he's not a central attacking midfielder. यही मसला था. And then his house got robbed and all that stuff. His family didn't feel safe there, so that's why he didn't play good football.
Family didn't feel safe.
That's why he didn't play good
पेरिस में भी
football.
तो यही हुआ ना. पेरिस में भी कुछ हुआ था.
So in
नहीं हुआ था. That was Kim Kardashian. Get out of E News. वो Kim Kardashian था जो
वही ना,
पेरिस
हम
में
सब
ये तुम ही देखते हो सारी.
पेरिस में था. वो Kim Kardashian को हुआ था कुछ.
ये न्यूज़ भी नहीं देखता ये.
खैर बोल फिर और.
in PSG, Di Maria's played in central midfield a decent amount too, right?
No, he hasn't. Neymar has.
Not
Neymar
as
has.
central midfield.
Yes, Neymar, center attacking midfielder.
Center
Neymar
attacking,
has.
but like PSG में on and off they
It's
play.
that same like drift in wala role. If he doesn't do it, Neymar does it. If Neymar doesn't do it, he does it.
नहीं drift in वाला नहीं. They played him in the middle. They played him in midfield as well.
They haven't.
Either
Di
Draxler
Maria.
used to play attacking.
Cam नहीं bro as a central midfielder.
No, they haven't played him
Oh,
center
no, they
midfielder,
They
bro.
have played him as a central.
No, they haven't,
Okay,
bro.
I'll look up. For
Anyways.
central midfielder.
After United goal.
after United. No, the reason why I think people don't rate him is because they think. Look, he's been surrounded by great players, unfortunately.
Madrid में Ronaldo.
Yeah, Madrid में United तो दफा ही करो. PSG में Neymar, Argentina में Messi, Aguero and all that. So that's why people. So that's why great minds think like. That's why people don't rate him that much because they think he's been a passenger to those teams, which he hasn't. I mean, he scored the winning goal.
No, he was key for all those teams.
He took him with Messi. They took them to the World Cup final in 2014.
If it weren't for freaking rat tail guy.
And Higuain. But yeah, Di Maria and.
Oh yeah, वो भी था.
I'm telling you, bro.
Yeah, I think Ryan Giggs should have made place for Di Maria in.
Ryan Giggs, ये मैं कह रहा हूँ, bro.
He should have made place for
Di Maria.
Salah, yeah.
No, and Di Maria, and also Perez का भी मैं वो कहता हूँ.
इतना United.
I rate Di Maria higher than Perez.
We're talking about collective.
Nah, bro. Perez isn't.
मैंने तुम्हें लिखा भी था ना ग्रुप में if anyone doesn't have Salah I'm gonna be judging them. वैसे तारिक के पास नहीं था Salah.
नहीं था?
मारो इसको, बोल इसको बोल काका बोल.
All the इतनी बातें करने के बाद मैं शर्म
नहीं, I was talking about Di Maria.
Wow, unbelievable.
I was talking about Di Maria. You know, that's why I didn't. मेरी बात
शर्मिंदा भी नहीं हो रहा ना आगे से आगे
यार मेरी बात that's why in the back of my head I wasn't propping up Salah too much because I was like, yeah, did I put him in my list? I don't think I did. Yeah, because I wanted to put Di Maria in my list.
Not happy with this.
Not happy with this at all, dude.
We couldn't tell.
The positioning is off, man, and two ballers are missed out. So
when he retires, then Mo Salah will be pretty high.
And Di Maria.
He should be in it already, but
needs it.
Okay. Hashtag subscribe वगैरह.
Subscribe वगैरह.
Bell icon.
Subscribe.